Hello friends, today I'll be unboxing the MDTrade aluminum dish drying rack that I bought from Amazon 3 days ago. I bought it for $43. Okay, so I just received the box today from Amazon. That's the box, and I'm gonna pull the product out of the box. Here, this is the aluminum dish to store and dry out the plates. And the reason why I bought this is because I just pull it. Yeah, the reason I bought this is that I'm gonna put my camera down for a little bit to pull the product. Hey, sorry about that. So I'm back. Yeah, that's product right out of the box. So this is made in durable aluminum. I was saying the reason why I bought this, it's because the one that I have, show you here in my kitchen, is always rusting. It's my current rack, and I just bought this not too long ago, like a month, previous month. And you can see here the rust right there. That's the rust in 1 month of buying this new rack that is not rust proof. So that was my motivation to buy a rust proof solution, which is aluminum, with just around double the price. You can see here the stains that was caused by the rust. There's also stains on the side here of the plates. You can see, I'll show you, stain right there, and there's also stains on the sides of the plate. Right there you can see that stain, because these plates was the stain right there, because that goes into there at the bottom where it sits, and that's where the rust are, and that's the result of the stain. Yeah, so that was my motivation. These are cheaper solution, however they cause rust and damage the plates. So that's why spend a little bit of money and go for this rust proof solution. It's plated in gold, but it's all aluminum. So the construction here, it's riveted right there. The brand is MDTrade, sorry, MDTrade in Amazon. That's the name of the brand, MDTrade, and that's the product description. size 16.5 by 11.8 inches, material aluminum, right there. Yeah, and more product information. Yeah, okay. The reason why I'm showing this, it's because there's no paperwork inside the box. So yes, that's the construction. That's the 16.5 inches from here to here, and the 11.8 or 12, almost 12 inches from here to here. This is plastic for the spoon, fork, and knife. It's so light, like yeah, it's so light. It's got plastic foot right here and right there as well. So on the other two legs, this is the drainer plastic where water gets drained. So there's a hole here, and at the back there is a swivel. It moves 360 degrees swivel so that we can reposition the water drainage. So I'm just pulling the yeah, okay, so that's the plastic. Now see, you can pull, and all the way there I'm pulling. So the way it sits is right there, and then you're gonna you can see the angle should provide the angle so that the drainage of the water is good because of the slope angle. Now this spoon fork holder can be placed maybe here on the side like that. So the way I attach it is just, it's attached like this. Just pull this plastic right here, and see, you can just, yeah, so it's easy, pretty straightforward. Push it there, and there's a, yeah, okay, there's no need for a screwdriver or anything like that to attach it. This pulls like this. See, you can move like that with my hand. No need for a screwdriver, so just push it into place either here or there. So let's put it here. As you can see, I'm gonna assemble it with one hand. Yeah. So I started with one side there, and then I'm just gonna push it. Oops. Start it all over again. Okay, and then just push it. Okay, so now I'm gonna get a plate to test out the sizes. Here, gonna get plate, spoon and fork, and plate, and one bowl. test. So we're gonna test the okay, so here is a around 5" to 6" ball diameter. It's regular spoon and fork over there, and this is around 11 inches diameter plate, and it should fit like so. Okay. Maybe like that, you can fit it. Okay, it fits. I can fit it like that. And this, yeah, okay. What about if I try it here on the other side? Like that as well. You can fit it like that if you want. Okay, it also works like that. But I think the best solution would be like so. Yeah, there. That's the test of the dish rack by MDTrade. Okay, any comments, please put down below. So there you go, MDTrade aluminum dish drying rack, around $40, $43 in Amazon.